does it take for you to repair your credit score? I want you to understand everybody's situation is different, but I want to give you a simple way to help you reach your goals much faster. What's up, family? I'm back with another one. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. So in today's class, we're going to be unpacking how you can check your future credit score. Number two, the fastest way you can increase your credit score 50 to 100 points by just changing one thing. Number three, we're also going to be talking about what would it look like if you didn't do nothing. How long would it actually take to fix your credit score? And also, how can you actually find violations on your credit report with those derogatory accounts to help you remove it in a faster way or get those things removed off your credit report. We're going to be unpacking a lot. So sit back, relax, grab a pen, get some paper, get something to drink. We're breaking everything down. Now, once you get access to your report, right, you're going to be able to check your future credit score. Many people have different future credit scores based off of their profile. And I'm gonna go over a few people. As you can see, this person right here has a 772, that's their future credit score, 772, right? This person right here is a 761. This person right here is a 578. And we're gonna be unpacking everything, right? This person right here is a 578. All right, this person right here, 745 credit score. This person right here, everybody's profile is different, everything's set up different, but there are some things you can do to change your future credit score. There are some things you can do to improve your future credit score. And we're gonna be talking about it all, right? But I just want to show you visually, because once you see, then you'll be like, dang, all right, this is what I gotta do to improve it. This is what I gotta take care of to do this. This is what I need to focus on. All right, I need to pay this down, I need to do all these different things. That's what I want you to have the mindset. I want to get back, make sure my credit score is good, make sure I'm doing my finances, everything's on track. All right, so let's start back with the first person, right? So right here, so that credit score as of right now is a 673. Score builder means the negative accounts that's affecting this person's credit score, potentially, right? So at like 70 points, they have multiple accounts, which equates to 70 points that if they just remove that off their report, the negative accounts, they can see a 70-point increase of their credit score. Score boost, right? One of the things, the fastest way you can improve your credit score is this right here. But everybody's score boost is a little bit different based off of the type of credit card that you have on your report. So this factors in the utilization part of your credit score. So if you have multiple multiple credit cards, that means you have multiple things you got to pay down. So you're going to see a significant increase of your credit score. If you just have one credit card and you got to pay a little bit down, you're going to be seeing this. If you don't have a credit card, it's impacting you as well because your credit score is revolving around credit card utilization. Those different things impact your credit score. And then in total, as you can see, this is what your future credit score. And this right here is just based off of TransUnion. If you want to get access to this, right, the link is going to be pinned to the description. You can see this for $1 trial. You can see like where you're at and follow along with me, okay? So when you look at this, right, 673 credit score, 70 point, if you just remove the negative items, you're going to see a 70-point increase. If you just pay down some credit card debt, you're going to see a 29-point increase, right? And then bam, 772. All right, now your future credit score will, change as the months go because as your credit card utilization or as your accounts mature on your report, the age, you're going to see improvement of your credit score. But one of the fastest ways to increase your credit score is by paying this down. So let me show you the example, what I'm talking about. So right here, this person's right here. They're at a 633, right? They have 85 points, right? That the negative accounts is affecting their credit score is worth about 85 points. If they just pay down their credit card debt, right? They'll see a 43-point increase just by paying down their credit card debt, right? And then from there, their future credit score is at a 761. All right. Now, what I mean by that, I want to give you a better, clearer picture, an example. So if you click on your score boost, what I was talking about, like as you can see right here, is if they pay $15,946, they're going to see a 43-point increase of their credit score by taking care of this credit card debt. So everybody's a little bit different, and I want you to check yours so you can see, all right, if I just pay this down, I can see a significant increase of my credit score. All right, if I just add a credit card on my credit report, I can see a significant increase on my credit score, right? So this is what I want you to visually see, so you can have the stepping stone of like, all right, I need to do these certain things to improve my credit. All right, so here's another example of another person. So this person's at a 487, right? 90-point increase if they just remove the negative items, just 1 point, right? If they just pay down their credit card utilization, right? And their future credit score is a 578. But this will all change once they start fixing up their credit. Yes, it's like, man, if only I just remove the negative items and just pay down my credit card, I'm still not at a 700. It can be upsetting, but things will change once you start fixing up your credit, and your future credit score will change once you start doing certain things to improve your credit. You'll see what I'm talking about as the month goes on, right? But for right now, this is what it looks like, and I know it can be upsetting, but don't just focus on your future credit score. Focus on the improvement of your credit, and you're going to see your future credit score change, and then eventually be in the 6, 7, depending on where you're at, or in the 800s, right? So everybody's a little bit different. That's why I let off like everybody's profiles are different. How long it's going to take you to improve your credit score is going to vary based off of what you have on your report. All right. So this person right here, 652, right? Their credit score is 652. If they just remove the negative items off their credit report, guess what? They can see a 93-point increase of their credit score, and then they already have their credit card debt taken care of. And once they just remove the negative accounts, they will be potentially at a 745, right? Great. And then you can go ahead, move on, and get what you're trying to do. All right. So this person right here, this is what I was talking about. So this person right here is at a 524. If they remove the negative items off their report, guess what? They can see a 90-point increase, and this person doesn't have no open revolving debt, so they're missing out on points. And you could be missing out roughly on 165 points. Let me explain. The highest credit score you can have is an 850, right, with FICO, right? The lowest credit score you can have is a 300, right? So that means you have 550 points to technically play with when it comes to as far as your credit score. So if you do 30% of 550, which is utilization. So one of the factors of your credit score is utilization. If you do 30% of 550, that gives you, if you do 550 times 30%, that's 165 points that you're missing out on. So potentially this person is missing out on 165 points. So if they just open up a credit card, if they get a credit card, if they get a line of credit, if they get some type of revolving debt, they can see a significant increase of their credit score. 50 points, 100 points, 115 points. It all varies based off of what factors in your credit score, right? So I just want to give you an idea. So if it looks like this and you don't have no open credit card, you're missing out on a lot of points. All you got to do is just open up an account. You can get a secure credit card. There are different things you can do to get a line of credit, right? So that's one of the things you want to, improve and focus on. All right. Now let's just talk about if you have these negative accounts on your report, what you can do. How can you find the violations? So one of the things I want you to do is so you can pinpoint those violations, right? The thing you want to do is click on reports, right? And then you're going to click on 3 bureau reports. And then you're going to be on a screen that looks similar to this. And then you're going to click on switch to classic view. All right. Now, once you do that, you're going to be able to see those accounts on your report, right? So now what I want you to do is find all the negative accounts that's holding your credit score back. Once you identify all the negative accounts that's holding your credit score back, then we're going to go all the way over to ChatGPT, and we're going to leverage artificial intelligence to find the violations. Once you find the violations on your report, you can leverage the violations to help increase your chances of getting the accounts removed from your report. All right. And then you saw how much, once you get those accounts removed from your report, how much points is going to be actually worth. So now what we want to do is you're going to tell ChatGPT this: act like a world-class dispute expert with 20 plus years and find violations with this account according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, right? And then you're going to upload those screenshots of the negative accounts that's holding your credit score back. Whether you have a collection, whether you have a charge off, a repossession, you're going to upload those screenshots, and then you're going to let ChatGPT do its thing. You're going to let it find the violations so it can help significantly increase your chances of getting those accounts removed from your report. All right. So from there, what we want to do is, as you can see right here, our major FCR violation, strong leverage. Number one, material inconsistency across Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Violation. TransUnion shows this date, Experian shows this date, Equifax shows this date, right? FCRA law violated off of this specific dispute angle, and also gives you a dispute angle. All right, this is one of the strongest deletion angles. Number two, improper last activity updating, right? Reagent risk. So it basically gives you another violation according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. All right. Number three, medical collections reporting without required compliance. All right, here's another violation. All right, missing reporting fails, incomplete, another violation. Number four. Number five, no evidence of reasonable investigation. That's another violation. All right. So we have basically 5 violations of this one specific account. You can leverage the different violations to help you get the account removed from your report. So find a violation, craft you a letter, and then once you craft you a letter, send it off to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax certified, add 2 to 3 forms of identification, and you're going to see a significant increase of your chances of getting the accounts removed off your report based on the violations that you found. I want you to remember this. If you don't do nothing, if you don't fix your credit up, if you don't dispute, if you don't do nothing, those accounts on your report will stay on your report for the next 7 years. So if you don't want to wait 7 long years for those accounts to fall off, leverage these different violations that I'm going to show you to knock the credit bureaus out. Now, if you haven't saw your future credit score and you want to find those violations with those negative accounts, all you have to do is just click the link in the description or pin to the comments so you can check your future credit score. You can see what it looks like. You can see what you got to do to improve your credit score and all the different things. And you can see those negative accounts that's holding your credit score back, screenshot it, find the violations, knock the credit bureaus out. So click the link in the description, click the link pinned to the comments.